Okay, so good morning, everyone. I hope all you are doing great. Hope you are doing nice. I'm very good. I'm Josue Bate, and I'm a kid from the Congo. I'm from DRC Congo, and just glad to be in front of you guys and then present to you the little project I just managed to craft during this time about the Bolt.new Hackathon. Yeah, whenever I was navigating on Bolt and I was like I saw the billboards, like I can say boards or billboard or something, the advertisement flyers about the hackathon, and I was like, oh, okay, let me check it out. Yeah, I want to check it out. I'd read a bit about it because okay, what I did with Bolt was like impressive for me. So and I was like, okay, let me just try to get a look at this and then see how it goes. And then I had some few projects in mind, so I decided to take part of it. Yeah, and here is today, they last day actually. There I think I guess there is like few, it's like few times the deadline, right? It's like how many hours? It's like 8 hours for the deadline that I'm applying. I'm a bit under pressure. I don't want to apply now on the last minute, so I decided to do my video right now so that I can showcase what I did in this few period of time. I think I did like a week or two. No, I think I did a week working on this project, and the project is like yehVo. I don't know if there is a long story about getting the name, so I won't really go much about it right now. Now I'm just excited showing you my app, the app I built for you guys, and then yeah, I will like also to have your feedback. So go up to the page, check the project app. I'm gonna share it out to my LinkedIn so you can go there. And yeah, I'm on my LinkedIn. I'm Josue Bate, so you can also go there and then check it out and then visit the project and give me some feedback. So mainly this is the homepage. Whenever you're visiting the app, this homepage, it's the web application. I'm planning also to make it like a progressive web app, and stuff like that. Okay, due to the time, didn't get time to work on that, but I just wanted to prioritize some functionality and stuff. Yeah. So on the login page, you can see the language here. You can change the language. You can switch different from different languages. There, you said there is like Swahili here, which is like my local language. If you want Portuguese, you can go with Portuguese. You can go with what was that is it like Arabic? Yeah, you can switch that one according to what you want to proceed with. Let's just continue with English, yeah. And then here you could put the logins if you have them. If you don't have them, then you need to go here. And then yeah, it just prop you up to create an app. So for you just to create this is just I just want to make it simple for now. Using just a username password. Yeah. So let's say here we call it Joe, and then let's say actually, it doesn't matter the email you're logging in because we're not doing email verification, but I'm gladly to implement it. Okay, anyway, so for the web app on the mobile size, it will be looking like this, right? You see, it will be like this one, also same thing. Also, we can also toggle the dark mode. Yeah, you see, you can also toggle the dark mode. Even here, you can toggle the dark mode. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah. So for logging, you have to do the provide a name, the full name. They say ish, and then they say Joe Don. Let's say Joe Don there. And then let's say Joe at gmail.com, and then you say password. The password should be like 8 characters. So we didn't also enforce my thing. Probably we're gonna make it a bit stronger and stronger or whatever. We are just continuing. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just put one character to see that how it's showing, yeah. So whenever you just provide something, the password don't match, then you'll be gonna having this warning sound down here. And then you can also view the password and you will see that you just added a 9 there, and those who can remove it and then uh just sign up. Yeah, just sign up. Mhm. Actually, it's like it taking a bit some time. I haven't get time to do it, check it out, but I think I'll check it out. Yeah, let me just write it somewhere so I can remember it. Uh, let's say take time to log in. Okay. Not it down, yeah. So whenever you just log in, if the credentials are nice, it just redirects you automatically. That's really nice. Instead of again going you to the login and then you log in. No, that doesn't really work. So whatever we do it then sure. So you could also come here and then log in here. It's also nice. So also here, whenever I don't provide right credentials, Let's say gmail.com, and then we say like this one. We also gonna get some warnings and stuff. Yeah, you see the warning. You see the warning down here. Credentials are now right? So that's it. So, but whenever you just go here, then you see that it's just take you to the dashboard, and here the dashboard in the web app. Okay, let me try to also log in here. Let's say log in as this guy here. I need to. Oh, hopefully it were. Oh yeah. Let's also log. Actually, I'm logging with different. I'm logging with different accounts, right? You could see here we're looking as Jordan, and then here we're looking as Jose Bate, right? So we're just logging with different accounts. So also in the desktop, this is how it is. This is how it be looking like, right? This is how it look like, yeah. So here is their here is their either for sidebar as the navigation bar or stuff like that with the logo. You could see the send payments, receive, history, invest, wallet. So I'm gonna just explain to you just in a bit, yeah. But for the homepage, this is how it is. Yeah, you could see the dashboard, then you see the welcome to you to to the app as a name, and then you also directly see your balance, you're balancing Algo. Yeah, so the app is being powered by Algorand, being the blockchain layered. And then we just have also different payments. You can also do for like send directly to your bank. Probably the future in the future you could also do some mobile thing because in Africa we're really struggling about that in our that's in Africa. So yeah, you could see the wallet balance here. You could see the money, the transaction. I think this is the amount that you consume this one. I'm not sure, but is it like the amount you sent or something, or they just transactions? Yeah, I think this is the transaction we did. Yeah, this month. I think we're gonna see it once we do the transaction, right? And then here there's total sent. Yes, the amount also sent. Okay, actually, this is the total. Probably the total sent or received. Yeah, total sent or received. I'm pretty sure. And then this one's the total that you received. Yeah. And then here there is like a quick actions. If you want to navigate directly to the send, the verse, you could also do that. And then here you just receive the recent activities. Yeah. Let's say the payment, the transaction you done, if you received or you sent, you're gonna just see it here because like we haven't done anything yet, so we couldn't see anything, right? So here is like you see like wallet management. Here you could refresh, just maybe in case you wanna refresh and be sure that there is something that was delaying, then you could refresh and then see if it's done auto found. So this one, basically, this one is supposed. Wait, this one is supposed just because we are working on a testnet using Algorand. As we are working in a testnet, so this one is supposed to power us. Let's say like to refund us, right? Whenever like a recharge, it is a sort of like recharging because you see like whenever it's saying an error here, they say that I don't know if you were curious to read like yeah. Click on the manual found to use the transfer dispenser directly. Yeah, it means like this one. I think this the manual thing gonna do here is also supposed to be powered. It was supposed to be powered with it was supposed to be powered with or we're supposed to be I think this design here I was supposed to do it here. It was supposed to be here. Whenever you click here, it was supposed to refund you and to put some balance in your account, but apparently it's not working. Yeah. I think let me see. Let me cap this one. Okay. I think the what was blocking is like this capture here. So I wasn't able to bypass it. Yeah, I wasn't able to bypass it. But whenever you see that I'm having like zero, and even here I'm having zero, so we need to refund. I need to like recharge or something. Okay, let me just pass this one. Verify. Oh, okay. I think I need that other, and that's one too. Um, I think now I can verify, right? Oh, they're saying the bus is this is the bus, the school bus, that's a bus. Um, what's else? Oh, this is the bus. Another bus. All right, another bus. So and then you say you could put a currency, you could put like the $10 or 5 algos. Let's just go with the algo account and then this balance here. Algo balance is zero, and then we click recharge, and then we gonna see probably five or something. Actually, it's taking some time, but the other one was like very quick. Let me check it out here. Let me see what it is. Okay, yeah, this is it. Yeah. Okay, let's also try to use this one, and then let's say put it the account here, and then this is quick. Yeah, it's supposed to be quick. Okay, yeah, wonderful. I just research, and then if I just have to go, come, let's say here, I just need to refresh, and then you see I'm having 10. Wait. Okay, does this one working? Still not working. Yeah, 5 hours. So this one, just this one that used there send me 5. Okay, let me see also here. They're saying cars. This the cars. These cars. There are cars. Yeah, cars here. Cars here again. Okay, let's see. Let's see again if it's gonna work. Okay, all right. Let's just we'll be using the other one. So, but you could see now I just refresh. Okay, this one is that the test purpose. But whenever we integrate the main app in the main, because you could even see here they are saying it's test, right? But whenever we'll be having the main one, then we'll be able to to use the actual one. Now you see everything changed. We have like 10 algos and that, and this one is like you can even see the equivalence in dollars somewhere. This like, but for us we just decided to display it in algos. But I think yeah, you remind me, let me just also display display balance in dollar too. I think this is very nice. I should also display the balance in dollars, right? Yeah, my bad. Anyway, after that you could see that okay, there is also nice voice command. In this voice command, you could, let's say, you could say something and then it says gonna be applied. Let's try something. Yeah, let's accept it and check my balance.
Your current balance is 10.0000 algos.
Well, did you get that one? You talk and then it's respond. That's the functionality I've been working on using the even is it 11 labs? 11 labs. That's give me that power. I could see my last transaction.
Sorry, I didn't understand that command.
So actually, probably it's not like you, but yeah, we just see those ones. So here you could also see the toggle this one. Here is supposed to work with notifications, and then here you could see just your name, and then your profile, navigate to your profile, and then logout. Yeah, basically those one. And then in the mobile, you could also do the same thing, actually, and so on. So that's it. So and what else can I show here? Nothing much to show. The transaction are still zero. Here's my address. I could refresh here. Yeah, balance refresh and stuff like that. So okay, that's the basic things. So but there are some things that are here, they are still basic for the test, like say the like this the manual refund and stuff like that. I'll make the way that we could just recharge directly, probably from a bank to Algo, and then I'll go to the bank again, or for mobile money and stuff like that. Or maybe we can also find a way to just I will also find a way to make like a direct transfer. You could send, if you don't want to transfer from Algo, you can also transfer mobile to mobile or bank to bank or something like that. We just, it's a continuous project, and we are planning to grow and go far. So that's it. So let's say also go for the send payment. For the send payment here, let's say for this send payment here, you also have the voice command, and normally, wait, let's say, check payments, my balance, check balance. Are you getting something? Not really. Okay, yeah, we just think I'm texting you. So okay, whenever you wanna send some money, there is two different operation you can do. Whether you can do manually, you put the amount here. You can put the amount like three. You can say put algo or in dollars if you have them, and then they say the blockchain. You can. That's what I was saying. You can just use the algo. You can use their mobile money. Then you can use block transfer. So there will be probably differences between those two. Let's say for algo, it can be very quick than probably mobile money or bank transfer. They can be different in some ways. Maybe the charges that can be consumed and stuff like that. But for now, as long as we are in the test one, but now we are doing them most of the time we're using algos. And then also you can then put here the hash. Yeah. So if you have it, you can just copy it and then you send. Let's say for example, let's come to let's just come here and then say go to wallet, and then uh let's say copy this address here and then we can put it here, yeah. Then we can put it that one here and then let's say send, and then if you just have this modal here that's confirm, yeah, for confirmation. I didn't want just to say like and then you spend it will send directly. It wasn't appropriate for me. I wanted to make this one so that at least you can cancel it if you did it by mistake or something like that, and then if you say yes, then it's going to process the transfer. um
Payment of 3
and
US
then
dollars sent successfully.
yeah, then it say that it sent successfully, and payment sends, and then send another one. If you want to send the same number, you can go just send another one, and then if you want to see the history, you could just go there and then see that you sent like $3 and stuff like that, and then it will just it just calculate that one, the remaining one, and then you see that I'm remaining with six. It means like those the five or three is like equivalent to some dollars and something like that. Well, in Explorer, I don't really know much about this Explorer though. Okay, I think I'll fix that one later. Huh? I'll fix that one later. But that's it. So in here also you can filter or the transfer that were made in Largo. You can filter the transfer that are made to mobile or bank transfers. Also completed if let's just go to all. Then let's say for completed, pending. If you have some failed, if you have some failed or completed, yeah. Or you can still decide to or you can even also search maybe on ID transaction or stuff like that. Yeah. So you have all possibilities there. That's it. And then also you also receive. So on the receive page, this is where you have like all the informations. You have all the information. You see this information. You list your QR code. So you can copy this one, and then someone can just click here. Let's say if you are just sending this one to someone who probably is not logging in, you can just send him this one. Let's say you copy them there one there, and then it will just redirect directly to the payment. Yeah, you see direct the payments and then initiate the variable there. It means you just have to put whatever the amount, and then you add if it's algo notes and then you send. I think that makes sense, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I didn't want just to big it, or you can even share it to someone. Also, you can also share, but this share and copy is pretty much doing the same thing. Or you could even download it, yeah, and then it's going to download an image. It's going to download the image, then it's like a QR code, right? And then why did I do this? So this one is not the other QR code. Why did I do this? I did it this one so that you can get this one and then print it and then put it in your room. Let's say I did this one because I was thinking about like in a supermarket or in a restaurant that I want to pay. Yeah, I want to pay, and then instead of like send me the transfer, the code. The code is long hash and stuff like that. I could just do this, and then easily someone could just come, just come and scan. Maybe you print this one and then just someone can just come and scan it, and then after scanning it, it just open the app directly. It's just the same process, yeah. Open the app directly, and then you could see that it's asking me to log in and to make the transaction. The thing made easy. And if I was probably logging in, then it could have been easier for me even to navigate directly and then finish the payment. So if I had to log in, let's say let me just try to log in with let's say log in with this use let's say if I log in, you see it redirects me to the page, to the same page amount, right? It's then direct me here, and then I have to put amount, and then they say two algos, and then the chain is there, and then you see guys, I just put the amount and then I send, and then after sending, I just have to confirm. I need to confirm. Yeah, you see, the amount have been done. Yeah, thing have been done, have been initiated. And then if I just have to come here, probably you see that let's say for now I'm having this one 6 9, yeah. But if I have to go the wallet, let's say, and then say refresh a bit, you will see that I'm having 8 because Here I sent two algos. Yeah, you could come here that I sent two algos, two algo. I sent to Argo and then I just have come there and then it's converted them. You see, that's what I was thinking when I wanted to make it easy, so that someone could just come and transfer. Even this one, the same, this still the same thing, yeah, still the same thing. And let's say maybe they just share even the password like this, they share me this thing, yeah. I could also come in my app and then go to also go to, let's say, send transfer, and then there is also a functionality here for QR code scan, and then let's have to accept, and then let's say stop scanning. And you could see in the app, in the scan, let's say here, let's navigate it from here. I don't know, I forget to do the emulation stuff so that you could see the thing here. But let's go here to receive, yeah. No, to send. Let's go here to send, and then let's go to scan, yeah. So here to scan, there is different operations. Let's say if I can decide to scan, and then let's say when I'm visiting the site, camera access denied. I think it doesn't have the camera access because I'm using some different third party cameras. But what you have to see is like here is normally open a camera, and then you say like you could manually input here, but yeah. And oh, you could also like use, I don't know, but here in the telephone, the thing is amazing. I think you guys should try it in the mobile, and then you will see that there are thing here that you could also paste, or you could also upload. Like there is a way that you can even upload. You can even upload a QR code here. Let's say I can upload this QR code. Let me say I can upload this QR code, and then it's also like upload the QR code and then searching on it, and then after searching from the QR code, and then it's going to detect the ID. It's going to detect the ID. It's going to detect the number scanned, and then it's work. I think it's a bit. I mean, the usage in the mobile phone in some functionalities are a bit different from the one built in the app, because now I'm presenting something in the app. But whenever you're gonna just open it in a mobile phone, then you will see that there are things that are slightly different. Because in the mobile phone, you could also upload a QR code and then check that one out, and so and much more, right? And here you could just take the address manually. You could paste, let's say hello. You could pay something, payment detail from QR code, payment detail from QR code. Let's see. Okay, so okay, accident. Okay, let me just try to fix this one. Hopefully, it's gonna accept that I fix it. So what is happening? Okay, okay. So okay, that's a small preparation that are being done. But you saw that I just did some operations. I sent from the QR code. You could even scan the QR code using your phone. You could even upload a file using your phone. Yeah, actually, yes. Yeah, you could also upload a file using our phone, and then you could paste an address. You could even copy and paste an address as you see here. You could, let's say you paste it, then you paste it here. Let's say let me come. Wait. Let me copy, and then let's see. Manual entry. Okay, you see the address is being copied here. The address is being copied here. The address I copied is coming here, and then you could proceed with the normal thing. Let's say I'm gonna send one. I'll go, and then the blockchain, then blah blah blah, and then I could initiate that one, and then I say yes, and then processing, and then um
Payment failed.
the payment
Please
error,
try
let's
again.
say, okay, yeah, it's saying like sufficient star found. It means like I don't have much found. You could see the balance is like this one, but I'm trying to send, but I need to send one algo. Yeah, this makes sense. Let's say it means that let's say if I come back here and then uh, let me try to send again. Uh, let's say like 0.7. Let's say 0.7, and then I think that's it. Yeah, and then let's say it's approve, and I'm pretty much this one will work. Yeah, unless there is no another error.
Payment of
Yeah, and then
0.7 algo sent successfully.
send another. Okay, yeah, you see it's successfully sent. Then you could also go and view your history. The sent. This one was failing. That one was successful. So that's how it is. So this is the history where you could see the one who sent. Okay, I'm still having a slightly problem here because I'm not being the form that I've been received haven't been able to shown. I'm still debugging it, but I think I'm having some few time to fix it. I think I'm gonna fix it. Receiver. Let me write it down again. Receiver display on here. And then let's say invest. Yeah, in here invest is just like um just just something like I don't know. I was just like thinking of like let's say as long as you're using money, sometimes we might even having some money that are not doing anything, then you can invest and then get some percentages there. Let's say okay, I haven't think much about it, but I think I was just like trying to think a way that people could invest in the app, could invest and get some money up, yeah. And this one thing can be involving probably maybe in premium people who are in pro or something like that. They can have access to this one so that they can invest the money directly in algos and stuff like that. So it means like you, if you are here, you could just say, let's say four. I want to invest, let's say 10 algo, available. Hey, I'm having available of this, so I cannot invest all of them. Let's say I'm available of five, and then you could choose the type of investment. I mean, the strategy of investment you want. Is it conservatives, which have some percentages, percentages that you will be earning? You could also you say the balanced one for 8.5%, and then you could also say the 12 for the growth for the 12%. So I could choose whatever you want, and then you could see here the amount you're gonna make after 1 year, the value of your money in 1 year, and then you could see like let's say if say like let's go, and then you could start the investments have been started, and then you could see active investments. So this is the active investments, and then what you have made so far until the year end. Then you could be to Israel. So you can even withdraw. You can even withdraw it if you want. You can even withdraw it if you want. Then let's say confirm withdraw, and then yeah, the thing would be cancelled, and then your money you get them your money back, right? So here, yeah, that's it. So it shares the wallet, information about the wallet, showing that it's a test net. Yeah, here to explore more on that. You can refresh, you can refound your test net here, which is now manually done for now, actually. And then you could get your information about your wallet, your security, if you want to recover the phrase secret, and then here the information about the network. You could see that you are in Algorand, Algorand protocol, and then we are using the type of standard. Yeah, so just small insights for people integrating the wallets. Yeah, so here the voice command. Here the voice command. They are just like a setup of the say voice command.
Hello.
You see, you
Voice
could
pay
test it
text received.
here.
Hello.
Let's say you
Voice
could
pay text received
also
is working
configure this
properly.
one here. You could configure the voice. Let's see for let's see.
This is a test of your voice settings. This is a test of your voice settings.
This is a test of your voice settings.
This is a test of your voice setting. This is a test of your voice settings.
Actually, it's like just mimicking some different accent from different people, and stuff like that, right? Okay, that's all right. That's all right for the testing, and then you could see that these are available command for now. For now, we only support this type of variable, but I think the more we grow, the more we have more data, the more we're gonna include much more. But for now, we're just having this one. You can say invest $20. Yeah, you could say show my transaction history. You can say check the balance. You say let's say send say five algo via a certain address or mobile number. or let's say send 10K to Alice or something like that. Let's try. Send 10K to Josue.
Sorry, I didn't understand that command. Try saying something like
Send
$5
10K to
to Alice
Josue.
or check my. Sorry, I didn't understand that command. Try
Send
saying something
$10
like
to
send $5
Josue.
to Alice. Sorry, I didn't understand that command.
Oh, I also
Try
is
saying
bargaining a
something
bit. It's
like
not
send
getting my maybe
$5
my
to
accent or
Alice or
something.
check
Or
my
I
balance.
think the more over time we'll just make sure that it's becoming better and better. Okay, let's